Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Purba. Welcome to my channel. Today, after a long time, I came up with a brand new eye look. This is a Halo Cut Crease eye look that I created using one of my most favorite eyeshadow palettes, which is Stacey Marie Moa Be Perfect Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. If you liked my work today, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First of all, I did my eyebrows off camera, and for this I have used Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony with Morphe JA7 brush. Before using the eyeshadow, first I'm priming my eyelids, and for this I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. With a beauty blender, I'm blending the concealer well over my entire eyelid. First, I'm applying this shade called Blackberry from the Carnival 3 palette to my crease little by little with Morphe JS13 brush. Today, I have not set my crease with any kind of powder or loose powder. I'm applying the eyeshadow directly on this tacky base so that I can get a lot more pigmentation. I always use light colored eyeshadow first, then I use a little darker colored eyeshadow. Finally, I create a smoky eye look using the darkest colored eyeshadow, but today I started doing my eye look with the darkest colored eyeshadow first so that I can get maximum pigmentation. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm looking straight in the mirror and creating a new crease line with the shadow called Blackberry, because if I apply the eyeshadow along with my real crease, then all the eyeshadow will go behind my hooded eyes and nothing will be seen. After applying the eyeshadow, when there is no product left on the brush, I'll blend the edges well with the same brush so that there remains no harsh lines. Now I'm packing this eyeshadow called Magenta with the same brush on the edges. Now picking up this magenta shade and applying it just above the previous shade, and I'm using tap and wriggle motions, definitely not blending motions, because I want to ensure that I'm really packing these shadows onto that wet base, but I also want to ensure that I'm really blending these two shades together. Now, taking a clean Morphe JS12 brush, just moving that wet base and blending it on the very edges of the shadows, and this is gonna help diffuse that harsh line and really help with the blending process later on. Now taking the shade Mango, I'm gonna be using Morphe JS12 brush, and the exact same process. I'm using all the darker shades first and then gradually making my way from dark to light to create that beautiful gradient of color. And finally taking the shade Yellow, and I'm just gonna be using windshield wipe motions to blend out the edges of the whole look. Time to cut the crease. Using the same concealer, I'm gonna apply it on the upper lash line and look up so that a mark line is created and I can create a fresh canvas to work with. Going back in with that dark purple shade, I'm gonna take that on the Morphe JS13 brush and apply that around the very edges of the Halo Cut Crease to define it and intensify it. Now I want to diffuse that harsh line between that base and the shadows, so I'm basically just going in with the amethyst shade and just with the Morphe JS10 brush for a more precise application on the both sides of the eyelid. Now I'm going in with the shade Starlight on the same brush, and I'm going to be pressing this shade into that wet base, and I'm pressing pretty hard in order to get maximum pigmentation and to ensure that there's no patchiness, and this is gonna be our lid shade. Then I'm taking Huda Beauty Duo Life Liner and applying that kajal in the outer and inner corners of my waterline, so that way it becomes deepest at the lash line, and as it moves upward and outward it becomes lighter and slowly melts into my eye look. And to have that continuity in the center, I'm gonna be using MUA Intense Color Liner in the shade Snow White. I'm using the darkest shade with a small flat definer brush as close to my waterline as possible before working my way through each shade until I get to the lightest shade, which I'll be using it to blend out the whole look on my inner and outer corners. Now I'm trying to get that ombre effect under my lash line too, so I'm going to dip into Starlight and with the Morphe J10 brush, I'm going to apply it to the center of my lower lash line. You can leave it at this if you want, but today I would like to add a little bit of glitter right in the center. So I'm going to be using Stila glitter eyeshadow in the shade Stylish to add some sparkle on the center of my eyelid and lower lash line. Now for highlighting my brow bone and inner corner, I'm taking the shade Vanilla, blending it well. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to be using a coat of mascara, but before that I have curled my lashes off camera, and for mascara today I'm using Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I have applied false lashes off camera and here is the completed eye look. It's super dramatic, flattering, and I like the way it draws so much light towards the center of the eye. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And my social accounts are listed down below in the description box just below this video, along with all the products that I used today for reference. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I post every Saturdays or Tuesdays, and if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye guys.